I couldn't. Me can't. I'm in disbelief. I cannot believe what I was watching, what I was hearing from the VAR room and the referee. Now, let me just put it out there clear. The VAR room told the referee that it was a penalty. It came off their hand, then hit the player's head, hand in an unnatural position by the rule of the law. But the referee said no. The referee said no. So in the VAR room, there's roughly about 5 or 6 officials running through the clips in slow motion, assisting the referee. Yes, the referee decision is final. We all know that. But what's the purpose of the VAR if you won't consider what they have? Just the same as when the ball came off. I think it's Greg Lehan. Between is that a Greg Lehan? Let me keep that. I mean, one I can't remember. And the VAR assisted the referee, and the referee come to the conclusion and said, hey, penalty, point to the spot. But when it was in Jamaica's hand or favor, the referee swipe it away without applying the rules of the game. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. I couldn't be. The thing is, I'm going to show you the pictures, the images, and also the things that the referee said, things that the VAR room said. The full video is on it's on the CONMEBOL page. So if you guys want to see it, you can go over to the CONMEBOL page and listen to it. It's in Spanish, you know. I'm not fluent in Spanish, but because they had the subtitle, we could read. Me can at least do a little bit of reading, me can read and me know my little ABC and then little something there. So I could have, decipher the little part right there. But unless I cannot believe, me couldn't believe what I watched. I couldn't believe what I was listening to. I couldn't believe referee not applying the rules of the game and basically coming up with his own rule to make a decision against Jamaica. As I said, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. This is an official confirmation from CONMEBOL that the Reggae Boyz was robbed. They were robbed in that game versus Ecuador blatantly, and CONMEBOL confirmed it. Anyways, we're gonna divulge into that, but as I said, let's just do the YouTube stuff. Hitting that like button, I would really appreciate it if you do so. When you hit the like button, it helps the video, it helps the algorithm, it make it more visible. Make it more visible. And if you want people know that Jamaica get robbed, you can push it out there. Anyways, also hit the subscribe button. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, I feel like if you don't like the content, if you don't like me, if you don't like the video, you cannot dislike it. Lock off it, whatever, and turn and just go watch something else, consume different content. But if you do like it, you can hit the subscribe button if you want to see more, because if you like it, you'd like to see more videos like these. Most definitely, thoroughly appreciate it. And share it, let persons know the robbery that took place. Anyways, let me first play the video. I'm gonna play the video, people. So this is the video of the incident with, as you can see. Let me just bring you a little bit. Courtesy of Leng Media on IG. Big up yourself, Leng. Big up yourself. No, I wanted to look. Greg Lee arm in the ear. We all agree that Greg Lee arm was actually in the ear. At this height. And the ball came here. The ball headed down, and Greg Lee, there's not much he can do. And yes, that's an unnatural position. We totally agree with that. And referee went to the VAR. VAR said that there is an obvious penalty. Ball went down. The VAR said, you know what? VAR said, referee, come have a look for yourself as well. And the referee came across, and they came to the conclusion that that's the case. So that's a penalty. Now let's get to the Reggae Boyz. Hold on. Let's have a look out. First thing I see here is the positioning of the referee. The position of the referee is the first thing me recognize. He's in optimum position to see exactly what took place and to make that call even before that was referred to. That was referred to the VAR room. Let's have a look. Good. Perfect time in my pause. I paused it at the perfect time. Good. Perfect. Oh my. Immaculate, man. Beautiful pause. You're telling me that the referee was about 5 feet away did not see that? That's the first red flag. First red flag. All right, let's continue. Then he came off his head. Good. Now, we all see all of that. Yeah, we confirm, so we see that. Let's hear what the VAR leak, the VAR audio that was saying about the situation. Let's bring up the first thing here. VAR. VAR told the referee, hits the hand, then the face. That's what the VAR told the referee. Hits the hand, then the face. So, if you're the referee in this position, come across and have a look. Come across and have a look. So let me see which one. So let's have a look at this one now. Referee said, okay, in my opinion, it is not a punishable handball. VAR said he hit the hand and then face, you know. His hand and then face, you know. The referee also said the defender tries to cover himself. How can the defender? Let me just hide this a little bit. Defender hand is here. How can the defender cover himself? What is the term, or what is the situation, or what is the action of covering one's self? Where in the law book does that apply about a defender covering himself? And how does that apply? How is it applicable? What do you mean, referee, by the defender cover himself? Cover himself, how? His hand is here. In an unnatural position. I think I'm supposed to have one of the audio says that I was in unnatural position. The something there. Referee said he wants to avoid the contact. Yes, he wants to. Same like Greg Lay. Greg Lay wanted to avoid the contact. Greg Lay wanted to avoid the contact. But he couldn't. He couldn't. Just the same here. So, you see what I'm talking about, people? These logics aren't making sense. These logics aren't making sense. So let me just see if we can find the next one. 34. So he said he hits the head. That referee, that's the first thing he said, you know. I think this was the first one. He said the ball hits the player's head. Until the VAR confirmed him that he hits hand, then head. Let's see. And he said, not punishable for me. And this is where the referee went out to make his decision. Let me not put up this picture now. This is when the VAR said to him, you see our referee, perfect view. This is the point where the VAR said, it hits the face, but first hits the hand, then face. And the referee said, he was trying to cover himself. This was the referee's final decision. Referee, after the review, it's a natural, plain context. That contradicts everything when said initially, no. If it's not punishable because, he said the reason why it's not punishable early out is because, one of the reasons is because the player was trying to avoid the contact and the player cover himself. In the avoid contact and he cover himself. I think there was also another point where he said, I think there's one other contact. But anyways, so these are the rules where, I don't know where those rules come from. Avoid. It don't make no sense, people. And he come and said, deep, I'm going to, it just make no sense. And then now, for your final decision to announce to people and said, after review, it's a natural, plain context. So it means that it's natural now for the hand to be here. It is very, very natural for your hand to be here. If the ball hits your hand here. But if you jump like this and the ball hits here, That is unnatural. But it's natural to jump with the hand in the air like this. You see your CONMEBOL release the voice the voice audio of the conversation between referee and the VAR room. And let me tell you something. This is blatant robbery. As I said, Jamaica is not the biggest brand in the you know what? I could blame myself as supporters because we don't have a whole lot of supporters that got the game, you know? We don't have a lot of supporters going to the game, so we're going to get these unfair treatments. They say if we could pack the stadium, so the finals are big and both and the finals will be a spectacle, maybe we'll get these, maybe we'd have gotten these favorable calls. Or maybe if the federation they have big name and big broad back, maybe we'd have gotten these favorable calls. Just maybe. Just maybe. But hey, little they know that me no know no. You know me not go I don't think I go put it on CONMEBOL, but the referees, I think referees from Chile. And how can a Caribbean team beat a South American team? All these people, this put so much scrutiny on the competition, the organization, and the referees. And the referee's decision. Are these decisions premeditated? Are these decisions premeditated? Are these the results pre-structured? Anyways, people, tell us what you think in the comment section. Very, very interesting here. Hopefully you guys are doing good. In my view, blatant robbery, and CONMEBOL actually just can confirm that the Reggae Boyz were robbed. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button. There's a link in the comment section, also in the description. You can buy us a coffee if you feel the need to. No problem at all. If not, just make sure you like the video, people. I really appreciate it. If you don't like it, make sure you dislike it. And tell us what you think in the comment section. Tell us what you think, why you dislike it in the comment section. And tell us what you think, why you like the video in the comment section. And tell us what you think about the entire situation and what went down. Big up on yourself, people. MG Sports TV. See you guys next time. And look out for more videos. You don't know anything already. Alright, God bless. Boom. Robbery in a daylight. Blatant robbery, them say. And referee escaping nearby bushes.